Here's a quick recap of today's price action and the trade I caught. Coming into market open, we can see that London and Asia have really just continued to create lower lows and lower highs, dancing in between yesterday's range. We were also left with a bunch of unmitigated 15-minute fair value gaps we could use to take us lower. Seeing us here right at 9:30, there were two scenarios I wanted to see. I wanted to see us either come lower, sweep out previous day low, come higher before using these unmitigated fair value gaps to take us lower. Or I wanted to see us just rip towards these unmitigated fair value gaps to see us come lower. Right at New York market open, we get a strong rip to the upside towards our 15-minute unmitigated fair value gaps. At this point, I stayed patient, waiting, as I could imagine we were wanting the higher fair value gaps with how much volume was on these candles. At this point in time, market had tapped into the most premium 15-minute bearish fair value gap, as well as the market had put in a 1-minute IFVG to the downside with a change in state of delivery. The candle close of this change in the state of delivery is where I entered my trade, with the target being this 1-minute unmitigated fair value gap. And as you can tell, basically it just played out perfect from there. This was a very simple, quick trade for me. It was genuinely just a couple minutes, but it played out perfectly. I followed my rules. I didn't interfere. This is exactly how it should look. And obviously, as the rest of the New York market session goes, we were continuing to the downside. So I came into the day with the correct bias. If you guys learned something from this recap, be sure to drop me a follow. Leave a comment down below if you guys took a trade today, and be sure to journal.